Hey everyone, welcome back to Healthy Food Recipes, where we share tips and insights to help you live a healthier and happier life. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of nature's most potent superfoods, pomegranates. Pomegranates have been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and are renowned for their numerous health benefits. So, without further ado, let's dive in and explore the top 7 benefits of consuming pomegranate daily. Rich in antioxidants. Pomegranates are packed with antioxidants, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice has up to 3 times the antioxidant activity of red wine and green tea. Helps lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Drinking pomegranate juice daily can help lower blood pressure, which in turn can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. May improve memory. As we age, our memory and cognitive function tend to decline. However, research has suggested that pomegranate juice may help improve memory and cognitive function, particularly in older adults. Anti-inflammatory properties. Pomegranate juice has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body and may benefit conditions such as arthritis and other chronic diseases. May lower the risk of certain cancers. Some studies have suggested that pomegranate juice may help lower the risk of certain types of cancer, including prostate cancer. Good for digestion. Pomegranates are high in fiber, which can help promote digestive health and may help prevent constipation. May help protect against bacterial and viral infections. Pomegranates are known for their antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can help boost the immune system and protect against infections. So there you have it, folks, the top 7 benefits of consuming pomegranate daily. Whether you eat them whole or drink their juice, pomegranates are a great addition to any healthy diet. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.